English to Croatian. Have equals.
Imati.
Fun conjugation comedy. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab extra goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Croatian verb for have.
Imati.
We'll keep it fast, fun, and friendly, with zero grammar headaches and maximum giggles. Strap in. By the end you'll say things like, I have time,
Imam vremena.
without breaking a sweat. Today's mission. Your goal. Say all the core forms of to have in Croatian with confidence. Infinitive.
Imati.
I have.
Imam.
You, singular, have.
Imaš.
He has.
On ima.
She has.
Ona ima.
It has.
Ima.
We have.
Imamo.
You, plural, formal, have.
Imate.
They have.
Oni imaju.
Mini mantra.
Imati. Imam. Imaš. On ima.
Slash.
Ona ima.
Slash.
Ima. Imamo. Imate. Oni imaju.
Comedy mini dialogue. Listen in and imagine the scene. You're at the door, everyone's late, and the keys have gone rogue. You, do you have the keys? Quote.
Imaš.
Ključeve? Friend, relax.
Imam.
I have them. Another friend. Wait, Tom?
On ima.
I cart. He has the tickets. You point to Anna. Good.
Ona ima.
Voodoo. She has water. Someone shakes the backpack, the bag.
Ima.
Grick Alice. It has snacks. Team cheer.
Imamo.
Svi, idemo. We have everything, let's go. Guard at the venue. V.
Imate.
Rezervaciju? Do you have a reservation? You spot your group inside already, naravno.
Oni imaju.
Stole. Of course, they have a table. Forms fast track. Repeat after me, short, sharp, and smiley. I have coffee.
Imam.
Kavu. You have time.
Imaš.
Vremena. He has a book.
On ima.
Knjigu. She has a plan.
Ona ima.
Plan. It has a new battery.
Ima.
Novu bateriju. We have tickets.
Imamo.
Cart. You, plural, have the map. V.
Imate.
Kartu. They have a dog.
Oni imaju.
PSA. Call and response drills. You speak, I wait. Say the Croatian out loud, own it. Say, I have time. Answer.
Imam.
Vremena. Say, do you have a pen? Singular you. Answer.
Imaš.
Olovku? Say, he has a ticket. Answer.
On ima.
Kartu. Say, she has coffee. Answer.
Ona ima.
Kavu. Say, it has a camera. Answer.
Ima.
Kameru. Say, we have a plan. Answer.
Imamo.
Plan. Say, do you, plural, have water? Answer. I mate li vode, core form.
Imate.
Closing parenthesis. Say, They have friends. Answer.
Oni imaju.
Prijatelja. Culture and memory hooks. Tie language to life, it sticks better and tastes better. Croatian TV, Hrvatska.
Ima.
Talent, Croatia has talent. Easy anchor for.
Ima.
Quote. Proverb vibe. Better to have a sparrow in hand, remember the base verb.
Imati.
Inventory chant at the door.
Imam.
Ključve.
Imam.
Novčanik, touch your pockets as you say it. Team spirit in Croatia, after a win, fans shout.
Imamo.
Pobjedu, we have the victory. Lightning quiz. Quick reflexes, answer in Croatian, shout it if you must. Q. You, singular, have 3 options. Blank, try opcije. A.
Imaš.
Try opcije. Q. He has a car. Blank, auto. A.
On ima.
Auto. Q. She has an idea. Blank, idiju. A.
Ona ima.
Idiju. Q. It has Wi-Fi. Blank, Wi-Fi. A.
Ima.
Wi-Fi. Q. We have time. Blank, vremena. A.
Imamo.
Vremena. Q. Do you, plural, have tickets? Blank, Lee cart? A.
Imate.
Lee cart? Q. They have everything. Blank, svi. A.
Oni imaju.
Svi. Q. What's the infinitive of have? A.
Imati.
Quote. Final challenge. Speedrun. You've got this. Breathe, grin, go. Say the whole chain in 10 seconds.
Imati. Imam. Imaš. On ima. Ona ima. Ima. Imamo. Imate. Oni imaju.
Now build a mini story. We have a plan, you have time, she has the keys. Quote.
Imamo.
Plan.
Imaš.
Vremena.
Ona ima.
Ključve. Thanks and next steps. You did awesome, high five through the headphones. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms in tiny daily moments, pocket check, door check, coffee check.
Imam. Imamo. Imate.
Question mark quote. For more fun lessons, freebies, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, you.
Imaš.
This.